Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your car icon in Waze. So Waze lets you customize the vehicle icon that appears on the map during navigation. So changing it is a simple way to personalize the app's appearance. So guys, at first you will need to open Waze on your phone and make sure you are signed in. So from the main screen, tap your profile icon or open the Waze menu. It's just like 3 lines. That's located at the top left corner. And now you will need to select the settings. So it's the third option, including a gear icon next to it on the left side. So now you will need to look for the section related to display in map or your vehicle settings. So let's talk about the vehicle details at first. So you can go with the drive-in preferences section here at first to the vehicle details, and then go with the vehicle type and here choose whether it's a private car, taxi or motorcycle. So you can change from here just by one tap, and then just go back to the map display right here, tap it. And now you will need to look for the car icon. So it's that option here on the first section, it's the last one. And then just go ahead and select the icon from the available ones, right? So you can explore all of these, okay? And once selected, it will appear directly or automatically on your drive-in session. Right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.